Here is the ultimate guide to luxury high-end dining in Los Angeles. The very best of the best. The city of movies and stars is also home to some of the finest restaurants in the world. LA has some of the best street food and ethnic food in the USA, but it also has its share of the top restaurants in the country and in the world. LA has 25 Michelin star restaurants. Of these there are 3 2-star and 2 3-star restaurants. I will discuss the top 5 restaurants in LA based on the Michelin Guide. I will discuss the menu, ambience, and the cost of each. Before I start, please like and subscribe if you like my content. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. In Santa Monica, Michelin is a French California restaurant run by chef Josiah Citron. It's been around for 26 years and continues to be packed every night. The 10-course tasting menu is exquisite and costs a hefty $400 per person, but it's totally worth every penny, as per the Michelin Guide and LA Times food critic. Their most famous dish is a 2-part dirty quail. Hayato, a modern Japanese kaiseki restaurant in downtown LA, is a bargain. Chef Brandon Hayato Go serves only 7 people at 7 p.m. every evening. The tasting menu is up to $450 per person, but for a meal that runs for 3 hours it is a bargain. You can also get a bento box on weekends for only $50. Vespertine in Culver City on the west side of Los Angeles is housed in a stunning building designed by Eric Owen Moss. As per the LA Times, it's not a meal but a journey you undertake through a dream realm with Chef Jordan Kahn. 12 courses are served over 3 hours. The tasting menu is $395 per person plus drinks, but as per the food critics it is totally worth it. Chef Michael Cimarusti is one of LA's most renowned chefs. Providence has been around since 2005 and it's still almost impossible to get a reservation. The restaurant devoted to sourcing sustainable seafood offers a tasting menu for $325 to $450 plus wine pairing for $175 to $340. It's the ultimate indulgence as per food critics. I have been to the chef's other restaurant and can definitely say that the food was stellar. If you can afford it, this is one place that you should try. I am still waiting to get a reservation. This restaurant has taken the city by storm since opening. It is almost impossible to snag a reservation unless you know someone. Seating is limited to 10 lucky persons. A minimum of 2 persons is required per reservation. The 20-course tasting menu will run you around $840 per person plus drinks. As per the LA Times food critic, somni, which means dream in the chef's native Catalan language, dining here is as much a performance as it is dinner. Watch my other videos on LA restaurants, including the ones with the best views and the best ethnic restaurants. Please like, subscribe and comment below.